I wanted to make a coat rack to go on the wall near the front door. And I had this reclaimed bed frame I got a while back. I used some of the wood in other projects. It had holes pre-drilled for these dowels that made up the foot of the bed. So I cut it to length and then chamfered the back edge so the dowels would actually stick up a little bit. Knowing that the studs were 16 inches apart, I pre-drilled holes that were 16 inches apart to screw it to the wall and then countersunk the holes. I cut it to length and then I cut 5 of these dowels that were about 4 inches long. I rounded off the edges at the disc sander and then just stuck these dowels in, and they're held in by friction. I grabbed a couple of construction screws. I used a level when I was finding the studs to ensure the coat rack went on the wall straight. I pre-drilled some holes and just screwed it in. It appears to work just fine.